Hi learners, and welcome to U.S. History Foundations to Reconstruction. We are on week 28. This week you're going to be completing units 4.11 and 4.12. And our learning target for the week is I can successfully understand why state legislatures in the South began to pass slave codes protecting slave owners' rights. Okay, so we're going to take a moment and look at the Prezi on slave codes. And what slave code do you find most shocking and why? Okay, so once you click on this, I'm not going to go through the whole thing with you, but once you click on it, this is a really nice presentation on the different slave codes. And you can go through this and then tell me what you found to be pretty shocking, which you will find, hopefully many things to you are pretty shocking. Okay, so if you go through this,
slave codes.
So you'll see here as you can go through. Sorry about this. So just kind of go through what are they, and then I'll kind of talk about the different slave codes.
Common slave code.
Okay. So like I said, I'm not going to go through the whole thing for you, but go through it. Tell me, what you find the most shocking and why. Okay. And then you're going to go into the Explore section where you'll read Virginia slave codes, take note on what the slave codes meant for the slaves. You should also read slave codes and take note on what codes prohibited slaves from having rights to. So what did they have rights taken away from? You're going to watch the video clip, Slavery Codes in the South, and you'll be able to access the beginning of the video. There's also a short clip will tell you why slave owners began enacting slave codes, and also watch Laws to Criminalize the Black Life from PBS. So some short video clips there, and then there is a Quizlet on the slave codes. Okay, and then after learning about the slave codes, why do you believe the codes were so strict? And then in order to check your understanding of the slave codes, please complete a small quiz. Please take note that some of the quiz is a review of the Underground Railroad and the Fugitive Slave Act. So this will go along perfectly. Then in order to check your understanding of the slave codes, complete Unit 4, assignment 12 in Odyssey, where the project slave codes. So you're going to use a great deal of the information you acquire throughout this lesson to complete the writing assignment. And there's a list of questions in Odyssey Where for you to select from, or you can choose your own. Okay, so you can go through that. And then just tell me what new information you learned. Okay, so any questions or concerns, of course, reach out to me. If not, you have a wonderful, productive week. Thanks.